Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can change Naver app language. So for the much easier for non-Korean speakers, here step-by-step tutorial. If you don't have application, guys, you can download the app on your device on App Store or Android or Google Play Store. So guys, let's get started. When you open your device, guys, open your screen and scroll down and the set bar, click on three dot here on setting option and open your setting mini language option and select the language you want to choose. I will choose English, guys. From here it's a list of available language on this app and you can switch easily, and make sure updated your application and latest version. So guys, when here you can change language successfully, and if you this video helpful, guys, and understand the option following this step and switch to English easily. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.